Getting started with Bootstrap is pretty simple. First, we're going to go to getbootstrap.com. Currently, we're on version 3.1.1. They have two options to get started. One, on the top menu, is Getting Started, and two is Download Bootstrap right on their home page. If you click on Download Bootstrap, you'll find that it takes you to the Getting Started page. It just takes you to the download section. There's three ways that you can download Bootstrap. One is where the CSS is already compiled and minified. This makes Bootstrap nice and small and easy to work with. The second is as source code. Now, Bootstrap was created in Less to make it easy to change settings. If you download the source code in Less, then you'll need to be able to go in and compile it to have CSS ready for your end users. Likewise, they've converted the Less source code into Sass if you prefer Sass. Additionally, Bootstrap is available via CDN. You can access it that way. In our case, we're going to download the compiled and minified CSS and JavaScript. I'm going to choose to open this when I get done downloading. You'll notice that it comes with three subfolders, one for CSS, fonts, and JavaScript. Now, I've already created a Bootstrap folder under my WAMP local web host. So I'm going to extract these three files into my Bootstrap folder that I've already created. Now that I have my three folders with all my associated files, I can start using Bootstrap. Once I've downloaded and copied my files, I'll go back to the Getting Started page. In my right-hand menu, I'm going to choose Basic Template. Bootstrap has provided a basic template we can use to get started using Bootstrap. I'm going to copy my content, go into my template.html page I've created, save this. You'll notice that it already has most of my components created for me. For example, I have my HTML5, my HTML and my head tags already created. I have my meta tag for my viewport, and I'm linking in my bootstrap.min.css straight from my CSS folder. I do have a couple of JavaScript files up at the very top, but these are only for people who are using IE8 and earlier. These must be inside our head. Otherwise, normally, as you can see here, we'll move our JavaScript towards the end. Notice that if you're going to use any of Bootstrap JavaScript's plugins, you need to include jQuery. In this basic template that Bootstrap has provided for us includes a link to jQuery via the Google API CDN. We're going to save our template.html, go back to our web browser, and I have an empty page here. I'm going to reload it, and now I have Bootstrap loaded via my template, calling my CSS and any necessary JavaScript just in this plain basic template file. If you found this video tutorial helpful, please like and share it with others. If you want to keep up with other videos that are coming out, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and like us on Facebook. That way, you can get the most up-to-date information.